Good morning. Hopefully, everyone had a wonderful week so far. I wanted to film a video today, and I decided I would film myself packing last night's orders. So, woke up this morning to 6 orders. Thank you guys so much, and thought it would be fun to kind of do a little studio vlog slash behind the scenes of what I do to package orders. I recently redid my entire office or craft room. Maybe I'll do a craft room tour soon. But it has been so nice to create content in this space, design new stencils and stickers, and also to package your orders. It has been so much fun. So I was excited to share kind of the process. I recently put on a sale for my stickers on my Etsy shop, and I think that's what drove a lot of orders from last night in. And so I was really excited to film in this sticker storage station. Usually I film by my desktop, but today, since there were a good amount of stickers ordered, I figured I would kind of transport my station over to the sticker station. So anyway, yeah, so typically when I do my stencil orders or orders from Etsy, I like to cut and make sure that I have all of the stencils ready to go. So I actually had done that earlier today before filming, so I don't have any footage of that, unfortunately. However, I kind of stacked them over to the side here, as you can see, and that area sort of designates all the stencils that will be going out this morning, and then the stickers I'll be kind of grabbing from as I process the orders. Have my coffee on hand and my business cards and freebies that I'm adding with each order, along with some packaging stickers. As you can see, those larger 8.5 by 11 sheets, I cut out little sticker labels that I use to kind of seal each of the packages with. So you'll see in a second, I'll use this little clear mailer and I'll fold it, and yeah, I'll use that circle sticker or oval sticker to kind of like close off the back. Even though it's already sticky and sealed, it's just nice to have like an extra close. So the video footage in this video is entirely me packaging orders from last night, but I figured I would use this time to chat with you guys since I'm doing a voiceover. I recently ordered my planner for 2023. As you guys know, I have been a huge Hobonichi fan for like the last few years. And it just keeps selling out on jetpens.com, which is typically where I purchase mine, at least in previous years. And the designs that I want have been sold out, so I was like, you know what, maybe I'll kind of see if I can find it in stores. There used to be a store by me called Mido, which used to carry them in store, but then I recently placed a call and they said they were discontinuing it. So I was really surprised and sort of like, do I wait and then order later, or do I switch planners? By the way, what are you guys planning for or planning to use for next year, 2023? Comment down below if you already have your planner. Would love to know what everyone is using or planning to use. I was really hoping to set up a planner before the new year. So in one of my 2 a.m. searches, I like randomly woken up, started searching planners. I came across Mosuri, I think that's how you say it. And I already have kind of a notebook from them. They have these beautiful covers, and I saw that they had released their 2023 Mosuri planners, and you can even have your name kind of custom like written on the front. And I was like, oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. The designs are so cute, and there are so many different styles. I think they contract with different artists for like the backing. So I finally decided on a design, put my name on the front, but oh my gosh, the shipping was like $20. I was like, it's kind of expensive to ship a planner for $20, but I thought about it in the middle of the night, didn't place the order just yet, and when I woke up, was like, you know what, this is really, really cute. So I placed my order and I just got a notification that it's going to be arriving on Wednesday. So maybe sometime next week or the week after, I'll do an unboxing of my new Mosery planner. I was hoping to kind of go through and basically label out any special days like anniversaries, birthdays, any upcoming trips if I know of them for the new year. That way to kind of like keep me on track. I know I have like this mini calendar that I bought from Mido as like a monthly that I'm just going to keep in my purse. But I think this Mosery just looks so beautiful. It will inspire me to stay on top of my planning next year. So we'll see. If you guys are using a Mosery already, hopefully I'm saying this right. I could totally be butchering the name, but if you guys are using a Mosery, please let me know what you guys think. There were two options. They had like a horizontal and a vertical. The horizontal reminded me of like my junior high planner, like the school planners that I used to have. But the vertical reminded me more of like a Hobonichi cousin, in that it had like the vertical columns, and then the difference was on the bottom it had like a different section to make notes and such. So we'll see, and if I really like it, I might actually create a stencil set specifically for that planner. So we'll see. But I think I'm going to like it. I think I love the idea that my name is on the front. I don't know if it's engraved or embossed or if it's just like printed on top, but it looked really nice in the kind of preview section. So we'll see. I'll definitely keep you guys posted, and very likely we'll be doing a unboxing. I think because I redid my office craft room space, excuse, my little doggy is, I think, hiccuping in her sleep. But I think because I have this new space, I've been really inspired to create new products for my shop. So like new stickers. Oh, I do have some new vinyl stickers coming soon. And I'm reordering some ones that I had up in my shop before that sold out as well. I'll be placing that order soon. But yeah, I've been like thinking maybe I wanted to expand some of my products, definitely more into like the vinyl stickers. And I was thinking like even notepads or notebooks. I don't know, what are you guys interested in seeing or having in your desk space? Or I was thinking doing more digital products. I don't know, my mind has just been racing with ideas, and it's been like so exciting. New packaging, I kind of want to get like design more stickers and add more freebies to orders, things along those lines. So I've been very excited. It's currently October, and it is like a favorite month in our household, as there's like Halloween, birthdays, and trick-or-treat, just like a lot of fun things, I guess, for kids specifically, but adults too. And it's just like a happy season. So I've been enjoying the slightly cooler weather, going to be taking out some of my boots and longer coats soon, and just like the pumpkin spice lattes and warm drinks. It's just one of my favorite seasons, like this fall winter time. And it's so cozy when you're sleeping at night and it's like really cold, and you can snuggle with your blankets. I don't know, I know that's like hit or miss. Some people like sleeping in a really warm room, and some like it really, really cold like I do. So I don't know, it's a good time for me. So typically when I'm packaging orders, it can get a little chaotic and messy. So I really do try my best to keep my space organized. Otherwise, I feel a little bit crazy. So, so yeah, that's what I was doing in that last clip. But in this part, I wanted to add in some washi tape and my Do Not Bend sticker on top. Kind of like a little corner accent before I put the shipping label on top of that, or like adjacent to it. But I realize I'm a little bit off camera here, so I think I clip out doing the rest of the envelopes, and I move on to actually placing the orders into the specific envelope. I tried really hard not to add on anyone's address or personal information, so I kind of edited out some of the clips here and just put the parts where I'm putting the actual product inside and sealing them up. It's really so fun to package orders for me. It's one of those things when I was little, I always thought it'd be really fun to like be stamping things or packaging things. I always wanted to work in a store, like a stationery store would be incredible, or even like in the post office. That was like one of my dreams as like a little girl. I thought it would be so fun to work at the post office because they're constantly like stamping and weighing and like clicking buttons. I don't know. Comment down below if you had this dream as well, but I feel like I might be one of the few. But yeah, it was like, to me, actually, it still appeals to me. So I guess in a way, I have like my own little station here in that I stamp and put stickers and seal envelopes. So I did, in the end, kind of create that for myself, which is kind of cool. Here at the end, I'm just putting some washi tape at the very back. It's already sealed, but it's a nice little accent, and I think packaging is really important when it comes to getting the orders ready. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this short little video. Look forward to posting more, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much.